book I've chosen is Charlie and the Great Glass Elevator. In this book, Charlie has just won over the chocolate factory from Willy Wonka, and now they're traveling into outer space to the International Space Station. In this, when they find out that the space station has been invaded by vermicious skinheads who are aliens who eat humans, and they want to eat you all. But they were lucky to have talked to the president who believed they were actually aliens, because while they were traveling in the glass elevator, they seemed like it seemed impossible that someone is traveling in a glass box in not wearing spacesuits. Instead, they were wearing normal clothes. To know what happened next, you have to read the book.
Next episode.